Technology should be simple and beautiful. This is the IQ panel. The IQ panel is easy enough for anyone to use, no matter how old you are. It helps you keep connected to the things that matter most to you, while away or at home, sending notifications to your smartphone, so you know when they arrive. With Bluetooth Touchless Disarming, you can leave your phone in your pocket, and the IQ panel securely authenticates you, preparing your home for your arrival. The IQ panel controls your entire home with an intuitive, elegant touchscreen that blends into any environment. You can make spaces warmer or colder. It uses intelligent automation to make things easier when you're at home. And you can customize the photo frame to show off your latest adventures. The IQ panel can also integrate with video doorbells, allowing you to grant access to guests remotely. And when it's time to leave, the IQ panel knows you're gone and will lock your doors, lower the heating, arm your security system, and turn off your lights, making your home secure and energy efficient. With LTE, a built-in router, panel camera and more, the IQ panel is the most advanced, easy-to-use security and smart home platform available. The QOLSYS IQ panel, all in one, always connected, always innovating.